Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nita Fatmasari, NPM 096 from English Skill 3 Education. For technology, enhanced language learning achievement or TEL. Here, I will explain an application for learning reading. This application is called Teach Practice Listening and Reading. Before we open Google Chrome, we will type Teach Practice Listening and Reading. Practice Listening and Reading. Click, scroll down, we click. Here I choose Teach Practice Listening and Reading, and here we are immediately directed to the Play Store. Or we can just search in Play Store. You can just type Teach Practice Listening and Reading. Listening and Reading. Click application. We click install. We wait for it to finish downloading. When finished, we open the application. Here we select the reading. For example, here I click the incomplete sentence. We scroll down. There are a lot of them here. There are 100 incomplete sentences. I will try to click the number 1. Number 1, interviewer. Perhaps you could start by telling us why you she applied for this job. Number 2, candidate. I think the main reason is because I like working in the open air. Number 3, interviewer. You mean you like the idea of an office with air condition. Number 4, candidate. I am sorry, I don't understand what you're on about. Number 5, interview. I should have thought this was pretty obvious. Number 6, candidate. Not to me. It isn't. Number 7, interview. I think there must be a mistake. Take it your Mr. Johnson. Number 8, candidate. I am Mr. Johnson. I'm afraid it's a case of the mistake identity. Number 9, interview. So you're not after the job of guardian? I presume. Number 10, candidate. No, sorry, as I said, I like working outside. I want to be gardener. If you don't mean. Then that, I will also show reading comprehension. There are a lot of them here. And I'll try number 7. One of the major reasons that the town and cities look dirtier now than in the past is that the trash that we discard these days tend to last a lot longer than it did previously. Plastic wrappers and Tetra packs are not as easily broken down as organic matter like orange peels. You also need to consider the amount of plastic bags that are used, with more than 10 billion plastic bags given to shoppers in Britain each year. Each one of these will take between 100 and 1000 years to break down. Fortunately, there are new schemes popping up that encourage shoppers to use carrier bags when they go to the supermarket instead of using plastic bags. These campaigns are having a great deal of success, and the Irish government has managed to cut down on plastic bag usage by 90% in recent years. Looking around at the piles of trash that are building up and the damage it is doing to the local environment, it is clear that more needs to be done at a governmental level in order to reduce waste. Number 1. What is Britain famous for according to the writer? C. It's green and pretty countryside. Number 2. According to the writer, Britain used to be D. Much cleaner. Number 3. In the text, the reason for the problem is A. Trash takes longer to deteriorate. Number 4. According to the writer, what is the solution to making Britain cleaner? B. Increased governmental support. The advantage: this application can be used offline, so there is no need to be afraid of wasteful internet quota. And this application has many examples too, very suitable for use to learn English.